Hey everyone, welcome back to BucksBuzz, your favorite place for real, practical money moves. Let's dive into the number one money rule they never teach you in school, but absolutely should. The pay yourself first rule. Here's what it means. Before you pay rent, bills, subscriptions, pay you. At least 20% of every paycheck should go straight to savings or investments the moment you receive it. It's how real wealth is built. It creates financial security and freedom. It forces you to live below your means automatically. If you save after spending, you'll almost never save enough. Flip the script. Save first, spend second. Start even if it's just 5%. Build the habit, and your future set. Zap it. If you're ready to put yourself first financially, smash that like button. Comment below with your savings goal, and don't forget to subscribe to BucksBuzz for more personal finance wisdom. Your best investment is the one you make in yourself.